new year, you were very welcome. So today I have a completely different video for you guys. It's a review of the Sony DSC-HX80 camera that I have been using for the past 3 months. Oh my god guys, I love this camera. So I got this camera on sale on Amazon in December. It came with a bunch of other things, not just the camera alone. I think I got it for about $318. Like I said, it was on sale, but I did my research and realized that this was like the cheapest vlogging camera that I could get for the standard that I actually wanted, so it was good. So this is me just showing you the other things that the camera, the box of the camera came with. I'm not sure if you go and buy the camera, it will come with this. Like I said, it was on sale, so it was like a free bonanza type of thing. So it came with like tripods and extra batteries and SD card, cleaning items, and stuff like that. And that's basically what I am showing you guys here before I get into the review. So I took this long to do this review because I wanted to be sure of what I was coming to tell you guys. And after using this camera for 3 months, oh my god, I am in the best position to tell you guys how I feel about this camera. So if you're interested in this review, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Yes, this is the camera itself. Let me be like a total gadget reviewing person and get the specifications out of the way. No, I'm just joking. Anyways, so this is the Sony DSC-HX80 camera. It has the 30x optical zoom. As you can see, it shoots at 1080p, 18.1 megapixel. Yeah, like it's a really good camera so far. I've been using it for 3 months and it's done like the job that I needed to do. The main reason why I got this camera was because, wait for it, the flip screen. Yes, I was so excited about this flip screen because guys, like, it's been a struggle recording videos because the DSLR I used to record my video is a very old one, the EOS Rebel T3, and it is old and it does not have the flip screen, and it's been a struggle guys, like a real struggle. I always have to go to the back and adjust and adjust and adjust, and it's just been something else entirely. And I was looking for a cheap camera because recession is in town, there's no money, and the Canon G7X was really what I wanted to get, or the G9X, but it seems very cost, so I didn't bother myself. I did a lot of research and decided to go with this bad boy, which has been doing fantastic job, by the way. So yeah, I got it because of this flip screen, so I can see myself while recording, see myself while taking selfies, adjust whatever I need to adjust without stressing so much. I like that about this camera. However, it doesn't have the touch screen that the G7X has. It's not a big deal to me. I don't even want it to have touch screen because my hand used to touch anyhow, and that's how I'm gonna spoil something. So it's good as it doesn't have the touch screen. I'm happy about that. It's not a big deal to me. However, the menu substitutes for the fact that it doesn't have touch screen, so it's really easy to navigate, like rolling to the left, to the right. It's actually quite good. It's actually user friendly. I don't know a lot about cameras, and trying to get the settings on this camera wasn't difficult. Like, I just had to look through it and I understood what I was trying to do, which is good for a beginner person like me trying to film videos and all that. It also has the ability to connect to the internet, so I have sent pictures and videos through the camera to my phone, to my laptop before. It was a struggle. It took a while because of Nigerian internet, but I feel like if I was in the abroad, it would be like much faster. But yeah, it works. But I would just stick to removing the SD card and putting it in my camera, in my computer rather, and getting what I need to get. I'm not going to stress myself. So that's that with the menu and all that. So the body of the camera, actually, I like this grip that it has. It has a different texture from the rest of the body of the camera. It's really handy, even though I don't use the camera like this because it's money I used to buy it. If you fall down, that's the end. So I just always use it with a tripod. I cannot kill myself. Anyways, but I like it. I like how it's so easy to hold. I like the zoom lens thing. Oh, guys, can you see that? Like, it zooms really far. I like that, so you'll be able to see things clearer. I really like that, and I've tested it and it works. I'll probably insert some clips and images and videos into this for you guys to see. So it has this viewfinder thing that, oh no, this is the flash rather. So when you you know, slide it to the left or to the right rather, the flash comes up. I like the fact that the flash does not automatically come up by itself. You need to like make an effort for it to come up. I really like that, because that's one issue I have with my DSLR also. Flash would just pop up like that. I'm like, what the hell? Like, why? So yeah, and then you close it back, and then it also has this viewfinder that you can open by itself also, and then you pull out and like look at it, and yeah, it works fine. I don't really use it because most of the times I just record videos with it, but yeah, it works just fine. Like I said, it has Wi-Fi connectivity. Yes. This is where you get to charge it. I don't remove the battery, I just charge it directly. I think it's just better. Down here you have a HDMI spot for you to plug the HDMI. Then this spot is for the tripod, for you to fix it on your tripod. That's fine. And then you also have this lock and open where you have your SD card and your battery, which is also fine. I think the only thing is that this part is so close to the where the tripod is. So for example, if it's on the tripod and you want to take out your memory card, like, stress. What else do I, or what do I not like about? Okay, yes, so if there is not enough light, sunlight or any kind of light, you might have a little, you know, the picture might look somehow, but as long as there's light, which I haven't had a problem with so far, it's gonna be okay. Recording at night can be a bust though, but as long as there's light, like I said, it's all gonna be fine. And then there's no place for you to plug in an external mic. There's no spot for that, but it's fine because the mic for this camera actually picks up very sharp, as in the thing is sharp. Like, I'll just be hearing myself, I'm like, wow, woo, this is good. So yeah, if you are looking for a cheap, affordable vlogging camera that works like the rest of the vlogging cameras that you see around, this bad boy is the way to go. It works so well. I do not have a problem with it at all. It's handy. I can put it in my pocket, I can put it in my bag, in my purse. It's fine. I like it. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. I think it's just like averagely, you know, handsy. But I really like it. It's compact, it's portable, it works, it does the job that I need it to do. I don't know what you need your camera to do, but this does the job and it gets the job done. So that's it, guys, on this review of the Sony DSC-HX80. Yes, let me know if you have any comments, if you have any questions about this camera. I would comment and answer your questions back. Yeah, and thank you for watching this video. If you like me to do this type of videos, you know, reviews and stuff, just let me know. I'll get it done for you. If you want to see more of this type of videos, let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to tell everybody that you know.